Hey there, here's how to do a screen recording on your Samsung Galaxy Tab. We'll start by going to the top right and swiping down. Locate this area of icons and just swipe down to expand it. Look for the screen recorder icon. You can scroll to see if it's below the main area of the screen. If you don't see it at all, in a few moments I'll show you where it may be. Click on screen recorder. Just at the top, we get a warning to let you know it's going to record everything on screen, including passwords, payment details, etc. We then have record sound. We can choose none, media, or media and mic. We also have an option to show taps and touches on the screen. When you've made your choices, press start recording. We get a 3-second countdown, and it's now recording. Just in the upper right, we have some options. We have a pen. So you can draw on screen, you can change the color of the pen. We also have an undo button, redo button, and we move across to the pause button. This will allow you to catch your breath if you need to. All you need to do after that is press it again and you'll see the counter continues. Once you've finished your recording, just press the stop button. It tells us the recording is saved. And if we go to the gallery, we can see that video just here. Now, if you couldn't find that screen recording icon, simply swipe back and go to the pen icon just at the top here. Go to Edit, and just here we have available buttons. We can swipe to the right, just check if that button is here, hold it, and drag it to the main window, press done, and try to screen record from there.